The woman who coughed on her Uber driver is now being sought out by police. Both of her friends are also being sought out by police. One of them has already been arrested. For those of you who don't know who this woman is and what happened, here's a quick clip showing you exactly what happened.
They not fucking us. Fucking and then I got corona. Yeah, what's up? What you gonna do? What you gonna do?
Sorry, 1 second. Oh, by the way, I'm selling these. This is my face. On my face. You want my face on your face? Links down in the description. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment down below with your thoughts on these stupid people. The San Francisco police have stated that they have Malaysia King in custody. She's the woman in red in the video, and are now looking for the other two. Through a lawyer, the main culprit of this situation, what was her name again? Doesn't really matter. Keeping Up with Foreign is her Instagram model name. Oh, ho, 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 ho. Don't mind if I do. I think I'm saying this right, but her name is Arna Kimyai. Through a lawyer, she has notified the police department that she plans on turning herself in. While we all eagerly await for her to face the consequences of her actions, we did a little bit of digging. In a video that she uploaded to Instagram last June, shows her going 120 miles per hour in a rented McLaren. Apparently, she has no money, no job, and a very small Instagram following that has obviously gone to her head. Hopefully this woman gets arrested soon so she can stop wreaking havoc upon society. Hopefully she walks to the police station and doesn't arrive there in her rented McLaren. That's all I got for you guys today. Just wanted to give you an update on this woman. If I find out more stuff and it gets crazier, you bet your ass I'm going to be talking about it here. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, drop a comment down below with your thoughts on these stupid people. Love you guys. See you in the next video.